Wonderful bullish week once again for net gas, which I have been asking you all to buy since long, since 2.1 levels, and recommending you to stay long. And we are going to see the bulls there in net gas. It has almost achieved 2.84 levels last week. I hope you all profited there. Now, what to expect next week? Is it going to continue with the bullish momentum here, or we can see a little pullback or a retracement on the downside? Which position you should take trading natural gas next week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis and targets which I share for natural gas every day. First with the Asia session, next with the US session. Definitely, this will help you in your day trading decision. You can also remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, look at net gas on the weekly charts. First, we look into charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading strategy and levels. Do watch till the end. See, it has shown a reversal on the weekly charts here. Since then, we can see higher highs, higher lows. Now on the upside, $3 levels is the target, and we might see it hitting $3 levels very, very soon. That is the first part. Second observation here is the bullishness is diminished. You can see a very big bullish candle and then a very small candle. However, the important part is the flat top. A flat top breaking above the higher levels from the previous weeks, and you can say that it is willing to continue with the bullish channel, and hence any stay or any rise above 2.85 you can again stay long, and we may see $3 levels at least, and beyond 3 further bullishness can be expected. Now see, those who are still holding from $2 levels can see the 50% rise in natural gas here. This was a wonderful opportunity, and those who hold it, the contracts, the derivative contracts for net gas must have done exceptionally handsome profits by now. So this is on the weekly charts. Also, you look at, see, after forming the bottom, this has started to move upwards. Possibly it can continue with the upward momentum for a little while. How far it can stretch, I'll be looking forward to this zone. That is the first target, that is around 3.5 to $4 levels in the near future. When I say near future, maybe it will take a few weeks or so for it to reach those levels. And also I will be definitely observant for the next week, because see, the bullishness appears to be diminished here, but a flat top is what indicates that it can continue with the upward momentum. It can in fact give a gap up before looking forward to any downward move. Also, you can see higher lows, and hence still 2.6 next week, 2.6 or 2.5. I will not recommend to stay bearish till the time it stays about 2.6, 2.5 zone. Coming to the daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts as well, this is a strongly bullish channel. The highs of this channel now, if you look at the daily charts as the time passes by, first target should be at around $3 levels, which it might achieve in a couple of sessions or more, and beyond that we can see it in fact flying for 3.2 and plus levels. Now if you look at the movement, see the rise, retracement, second round of rise, definitely beyond 2.85 levels. You can expect in fact $3 levels, and that should be a second round of rise here. So one has to be very, very cautious till towards $3 levels. Beyond that, further bullishness can be expected. Now see, the rise here, retracement, rise here. Now if you connect the dots here, you will find that this is the zone, this is also the resistance zone where it is going to get the next resistance, that is 3.2 levels. One has to watch out for this zone where it is going to get the maximum resistance. The possibility for natural gas to achieve those levels is very, very strong. Achieving those levels, yes, it can retrace again for 2.5 before looking forward to an upward move. Yes, very much possible. Coming to the monthly chart. On the monthly charts, higher lows. Last month we had seen a swing candle, and this month again we had said that yes, one can stay long, one can expect, because see, this is still respecting higher lows, higher highs. Now 2.85 is what I will look forward to. Beyond that, it can try to continue with the upward momentum till towards 3 and plus levels. Yes, this is trying to reverse, but this candle and next candle is going to remain important, because see, if it continues with an increasingly bullish candles, you can see almost $4 to $5 levels in next few weeks or so. Now coming to the indicators part. On the indicators, the moving averages, the 20 and 50 months average, it started to converge, not yet crossed over, it's still in green. And now possibly for next couple of candles, we'll observe how it behaves. Possibly a pullback will again make them diverge and stay bullish. Stochastic, which was trading extremely oversold on the monthly charts, now looking upwards, willing to recover, and possibly this recovery should. continue for a while on the upside. Now on the MACD also, see the candle size have flattened here, now willing to convert. This is also a good sign. See, at least couple of candles, it should show the conversion. Even if it is not bearish, it can show a conversion and then a diversion from there. But yes, a retracement is what we are expecting, and possibly $4 to $5 levels in next few months or few weeks are expected if it stays above $3 levels. RSI has started to look upward. This is also a good sign. Coming to the weekly. Now on the weekly charts, one point we had discussed, the prices were divergent from the moving average. The 20 period moving average have certainly come down, and it has also achieved the 20 period moving average. That is very, very important. The next part on the weekly charts, the Bollinger Bands has formed a neck out here, and it can start to diverge from here, showing a complete V-shaped recovery. Also, the zone on the upside, the 50 and 100 weeks average at around 4 to 4.5 is going to be the maximum resistance. Just let it stay above $3 levels and more bullishness may prevail. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD on the weekly charts is divergent bullish looking upwards. But still, this is a retracement. It can possibly converge crossover again for a self-forming double bottom. We can again see it looking upwards. This is one phenomena which I will wait for. RSI started to look upwards, trading bullish. Coming to the daily chart. Now on the daily charts, the moving averages have crossed over, started to diverge. 100 period moving average is also now crossed over. It is trading bullish. Now see, certainly it will stress the rise for a little while such that the moving averages started to look upwards and trade bullish from here. So possible bullishness is still expected here. Stochastic has dropped and now trying to recover, and also MACD is starting to look upwards, or not starting, but it has already started to look upwards and trying to show an up move. How far it can stretch? See, when it dropped, it went till towards minus 600, and right now if you look at the bullishness, it is still at plus 100 levels. If you take into account minus 600, you can see it can stretch the rally to any extent. Hence, still there is bullishness. It can still try to look upwards. RSI is also looking upwards, indicating slight bullishness. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you so that you can trade profitably next week. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch starts on 3rd of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel, trading as per the signals. You can definitely benefit. Reach out to again for the same IDs for more details on mentorship batch or signals channel. Now where to buy? First of all, a buying entry is strictly only above 2.85 levels here. Yes, if it stays above 2.85, 2.92 and then $3 levels is a must. Almost we can see it hitting $3 levels here. Beyond 3, there is still possibility of a rise where one can expect 3.075 levels and 3.14 levels, and in fact then next station is 3.2. Now this zone at 3 and 3.2 is going to give very, very good resistance for natural gas next week. If it stays above 3.2, then only further bullishness to be expected. On the downside, where to sell? Now a selling price here on the downside is at 2.78 levels. Below that also 2.72, very good support, 2.65 and 2.6. Now for next week specifically, 2.6, 2.55 and 2.5. Till 2.5 it is going to get maximum support on the downside. Only and only if you see net gas trading below 2.5, you can stay bearish for 2.4, 2.3 and then 2.22 levels. Till here it is should not be treated as bear. Remember, as I said, till 2.5 it has got maximum support. I do not see this breaking below 2.5, but yes, there could be little retracement. However, I will still remain bullish till the time for next week, at least with respect 2.5 and 2.6 zone. And on the upside, we may definitely try to see 3 or 3.2 levels on the upside, beyond which more bullishness is going to prevail. Hence, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch or join my signals channel. Reach out to me either by joining my free Telegram channel or by my personal IDs on Telegram or my email IDs mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you very much.